Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the most incredible animals from around the world. Today we will be learning about the Leafy Sea Dragon, also known as the floating dragon. So make sure to watch the entire video to find out why it's called the floating dragon. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any of our videos. Incredible camouflage. The Leafy Sea Dragon is a master of disguise with its long, thin, and delicate-looking body covered in leaf-shaped appendages. These unique features help it to blend in seamlessly with the seaweed and kelp forests where it lives, making it almost invisible to predators such as sharks and rays. Its color ranges from olive green to brown, which helps it to further camouflage itself and avoid detection. Even its tail has been modified into a long, flowing appendage that looks like a leaf or seaweed swaying in the current. This allows the Leafy Sea Dragon to float effortlessly through the water and observe its surroundings without drawing any attention to itself. This incredible adaptation is crucial for its survival, as it allows the Leafy Sea Dragon to hide from potential predators while hunting for food. Overall, the Leafy Sea Dragon's camouflage is truly remarkable and an important part of its survival strategy. Slow swimmers. The Leafy Sea Dragon is a surprisingly good swimmer despite its delicate and slow-moving appearance. It uses small fins located along its body and neck to propel itself through the water with grace and ease. When threatened, it can swim very fast to escape danger. Leafy sea dragons often float like fallen leaves, allowing them to drift along with the current and avoid being seen by predators. This behavior is made possible by their leaf-like appendages, which give them lift and allow them to conserve energy while swimming. However, when the need arises, they can swim at impressive speeds, propelling themselves forward with powerful strokes of their fins. This ability to move quickly when necessary is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to escape from predators or chase down prey. In short, the Leafy Sea Dragon is a master of disguise and movement, capable of blending in with its surroundings and swimming with grace and speed when needed. Only males carry the eggs. Unlike most fish species, the male Leafy Sea Dragon is responsible for carrying the eggs after fertilization. The female deposits her eggs into a special brood patch located under the tail of the male, where they are fertilized. Once the eggs are deposited, the male takes over the role of incubating them until they hatch. During this time, the male's body undergoes changes to support the developing eggs, such as an increase in size and weight. The male Leafy Sea Dragon's paternal care is essential for the survival of the species, and it is a rare example of this behavior in the animal kingdom. This unique reproductive strategy sets them apart from other sea dragons and fish species, making them even more fascinating to study. As researchers continue to learn more about the Leafy Sea Dragon, they hope to gain a better understanding of how this unusual form of parental care evolved and what factors influence its occurrence in different populations. No sting, no teeth. Leafy sea dragons are not dangerous to humans and pose no threat to swimmers or divers. They are commonly found in coastal waters around southern Australia, where they are generally considered to be harmless creatures. Leafy sea dragons have no sting or teeth, so they cannot harm humans. Instead, they feed on tiny crustaceans and plankton, which they suck up through their tube-like mouths. They use their long, thin tongues to gather food and their teethless jaws to hold and manipulate their prey. This feeding method allows them to consume large quantities of small prey, helping them meet their dietary needs and survive in their environment. Endangered and rare. The Leafy Sea Dragon is a relatively rare and endangered species found only in the southern coastal waters of Australia. It is considered near threatened due to several factors, including habitat loss and degradation caused by pollution and coastal development. Additionally, the Leafy Sea Dragon is sometimes collected for the aquarium trade, which can further reduce its population numbers. As a result, conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique species and its habitat. These efforts include reducing pollution and overfishing in coastal areas, as well as raising awareness about the importance of protecting marine ecosystems. The leafy sea dragon is an iconic species of the Southern Ocean, and its decline has raised concerns among scientists and conservationists. However, with ongoing efforts to protect its habitat and prevent overcollection, there is hope for the leafy sea dragon to thrive once again. Mythical appearance. The leafy sea dragon's unique appearance has led to it being referred to as a mythical creature. Its delicate, almost translucent body, adorned with long, flowing appendages, resembles a mythical dragon floating through the ocean. This ethereal beauty has captured the imagination of many who have encountered it in the wild or in aquariums. Its graceful movements through the water add to its mystique, making it seem like a magical being from another world. The leafy sea dragon's mythical appearance has made it a popular subject in art, literature, and folklore. It has been featured in paintings, sculptures, and photographs that celebrate the wonder and beauty of the natural world. Its story has also been told and retold in myths and legends that are passed down through generations. The leafy sea dragon's mythical status has also made it a symbol of marine beauty and a reminder of the importance of protecting our oceans and their inhabitants. Its presence in our culture reflects our fascination with the unknown and the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of our world. Cannot survive in captivity easily. The leafy sea dragon is a delicate and elusive creature that is difficult to keep alive in captivity. Despite its popularity in the aquarium trade, these fish are notoriously difficult to breed and maintain, making them a rare sight in home aquariums. One of the main challenges in keeping leafy sea dragons is their sensitivity to water conditions. They require specific parameters such as temperature, salinity, and pH levels to thrive. Any fluctuations or changes in these conditions can cause stress and illness, leading to their demise. Leafy sea dragons are also very sensitive to handling and transportation, which can cause physical damage or injury. In addition, they are prone to various diseases and parasites that can be difficult to treat and often fatal. Keeping leafy sea dragons requires specialized equipment and expertise to maintain the necessary water conditions and provide proper care. They need a large tank with a strong filtration system and regular water changes to keep the water clean and healthy. The tank should also be equipped with a heater and a protein skimmer to maintain the proper temperature and remove waste products. Despite the challenges, some aquariums and research facilities have successfully kept and bred leafy sea dragons. However, it remains a rare feat, and these creatures are still considered to be one of the most difficult fish to keep in captivity. If you know of any other facts about the leafy sea dragon, then feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you.